So here is Miss Bubby Pigio. Now she is selling bracelets on Mercari. There are lots of them for you guys to choose from. They are $10. They're brand new. What comes with the actual bracelet is a surprise. So you get like a little mystery bag with your bracelet, all for $10 to help Bubby. We're getting close. It's like crunch time. Trying to get as much together as possible. So hopefully we meet this quota and fast. I did have a couple offers on my Naked Vault, but they fell through. One person wanted to give me like 140, one person wanted to give me 160, and I ended up accepting the one offer of 160, but then they ended up backing out, so I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, we need to get the surgery done, huh, Bubs? And hopefully, you know, maybe get her a couple blankets or something to make her more comfortable whenever she comes home, and just make it a little easier on her when she does come home. I don't put her in a crate. She's not crate trained or anything like that. But anyway, the link for the my Mercari is right below. It'll be the very first link that takes you right to my Mercari closet. And the listing, the name is Bracelets for a Cause. And it kind of explains a little bit. It really doesn't let me explain very much to you in there. But yeah, that's what's happening. The little goodie bags that are coming with the bracelets, they are going to be makeup, how do I want to say that, themed. Now, that's not, of course, going to be all high-end makeup in there. You're going to have some high-end, low-end. They're going to be little goodie bags. But definitely, they're going to be worth $10. And if you decide that you're going to order more than one, shipping would be combined. So, I think shipping is like $4.70 for one. So if you buy two, shipping's still going to be $4.70. So, come on, guys, get me some help. Let's all get together and get this done for her. She's driving me crazy with her hormones. What's a bub? Huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. She's too worried about the neighbors down the street taking their stuff in. She's such a little goof. Okay, guys, yeah, if you do have a chance, there is some new stuff put up down there. And like I said, if you have any questions, like, make sure you ask me. And you will also notice, probably here next week, I would say, next week, by the end of next week, a whole new channel. Same channel, but a lot of things are going to be different. So, can't wait for you guys to see.